want my power bank?
Nope, what you doing?
Putting on the new case.
Looks just like the one you had.
I know. It's a good case. This one's just beat up. And scratched up.
Yeah, there's a big difference. It's all
You
scratched.
got that glass in here from the hole in the back of it. I dropped it.
You have a hole in the back of you, get it?
That I do.
Alright, so we're not talking about holes in the backs of people. We were talking about engine stuff, Tercel stuff again. We got the block back. Don't mind if there's 2 pistons in there. Don't you worry about that. So yeah, we went ahead and had it. What are you doing? Stop pushing it.
The engine's just running away.
We had it honed or deglazed, as some people call it. I guess the proper term is called deglazing. So yeah, went ahead and got that done, right?
We did.
And she got new glasses.
I did.
They're not so small and rectangular anymore. That's her Toyota, just chilling.
I was cleaning it.
Yeah, meet and greet prep 2.0.
That's right.
But yeah, so the engine block's back. All we did was have it deglazed. She talked me into it. I was just going to send it with the pistons and rings that were in it. Those are the old pistons still. I'm going to reuse those. There's nothing wrong with them. Then we got new rings and bearings and yada yada. There's the bearings down there. Go figure too, I had a set of standard rings and bearings and pistons and I sold them to a fellow Tercel member, and now here I am needing a set again, so I had to buy another set. Rookie mistake. Yep, rookie mistake. But I already did 2 of the pistons, so we'll do a time lapse of the other 2 if she wants to watch how it's done.
Onward.
I'm cheating because I don't ever remember how the rings go, so I pay attention to that photo there.
I don't want to be taught wrong.
This is only my... You're learning off me, so it's obviously not right. I guess the other engine's made it 10,000 miles. It doesn't really matter. Must be done somewhat right. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and pop these other 2 pistons in. They're sitting right there on the box. I cleaned them up a little bit. Got some of the crud off of them. And removed all the old rings. The old rings are there. Never know, you could save them rings for something else. Haha, not really. Maybe decorate something with them. Christmas tree.
Just
Decorate
throw them away, you hoarder.
I ain't a hoarder.
No, look at your garage.
It's all usable equipment in here.
Yes, it is.
And it's very organized.
Is that why your lights fell on you?
I don't know. But yeah, the crank's here. My brother went ahead and cleaned that up for me. And then we got the old cylinder head from my 83 brown car. We went ahead and had that, what, milled? I think that's what it's called. I don't know. They cut her down, got rid of the warpage. The warpage is gone, so we're going to go ahead and use that cylinder head for now, because the one that was on this car, the studs that hold the rockers on, the middle stud was stripped completely out. No big deal. We only took it around the block like that. It's fine. Not going to worry about that. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get these other 2 pistons in and start doing bearings. Yay! Those new glasses. She hates being the beginning of the video, right?
I don't understand why you love me.
What?
I don't understand why you love it.
Because you hate it?
No, it just catches me off guard.
Oh, okay. So, a little delayed reaction here, but we're going to go ahead and fire this thing up. It's kind of halfway put together here. I already did some cranking on it and made sure it had oil pressure without the plugs and stuff in it, and ended up getting fuel to it, but it was leaking out the return line, so we went ahead and tightened that and put the shorty exhaust pipe on, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to go ahead and see if we can get it to run now. So I guess we better video that, right?
You probably should.
Yeah, probably should. So, got some new wires, new cap and rotor in there, new plugs, freshy oil filter, water pump, the whole bit.
Do you need my tripod?
Do I need a tripod?
My tripod?
No, should be okay. I could put it on the thing, or you could hold it. So, I guess we're going to go ahead and crank on it. Would you like to be the camera guy? Camera lady? Hopefully it runs good.
I don't know how to...
Huh?
I don't know how to do the zoom in thing.
Don't need to zoom.
Zoom in Mark Freeman style.
Yay! Look at that. Actually sounds really good. What do you think, honey? Sound like it's ready to go to town?
Yeah.
Fuck, just drive the way it is. You don't need to hook nothing else up. You don't need coolant. Heck yeah! Really hoping we can use that stock carb without all this crap being hooked up. It's not like somebody didn't already monkey it together anyway. So, sweet.
Somebody tried to monkey this whole car together.
Yeah, there's a lot of butt connectors and zip ties and I don't know, just a whole lot of crappy wiring in this thing. Ooh, look, a hose clamp.
It's been an absolute pleasure of a project.
It has been. I can't wait till it's done because I'm getting tired of, I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting tired of dealing with it. It's been like all year. So,
Not true. We picked it up May 3rd.
is it leaking oil already? No, I don't know. Cool. So, it's possible I'll just put the leaky radiator in it until we get a radiator for it. Because I mean, I don't know how fast it leaks, but it was full of coolant this whole time it's been here, and it was like not low. So,
Hydrate.
dependable
Hi.
starting power.
Good.
Alright, well, I guess there's the first official real run of the car.
And you broke the sled to do it.
Oh yeah, I'm sweating like a pig. And perfect, the timing's on, and yay, I don't have to mess with it. You know how many times I screwed it up on the brown car and the timing was off like a tooth on the belt?
That's awesome, babe. I'm so glad it's running.
Yay!
Now just the small little tricky stuff.
Now we just gotta hope your half of the engine you assembled actually stays together.
My half's gonna hold strong. It's your side that's gonna spin.
Spin them bearings.
Oh yeah.
I don't want to talk about anything spinning anything. I'd rather just stay together.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so I guess we're going to do some more buttoning up. Sorry we haven't really videoed a whole lot of the assembly. We've been trying to work on it and work at the same time, and then we just did the meet and greet, and Luke gave us a hand putting the block in because right before we left, so we're just trying to just get it done at this point. So winter's coming, and just we want it done before. We'd like to drive it a little bit before winter, you know. So you got anything you want to say?
It's almost there.
Yeah, I thought you zipped your mouth shut and threw the lock and key.
Oh, that's just for my comments.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, I guess
My non-YouTube approved appropriate comments.
Now I gotta plug these vacuum lines. I forgot. There's like so many ports on these stock carbs. There's 3 right here. I had to plug them so they quit leaking. They're everywhere. Ports everywhere. I think this is also a vacuum port. This is plugged with a bolt. That's quality. So pretty much none of this stuff's going to get hooked back up. I don't want to use it. I'm going to try to just use it the way it is and probably put a manual choke cable on it. You know, boop doop special. What is this for? I don't remember. I'm going to have to look at your car. Yeah, I don't know what that's for. I don't think that's a return line. We'll go look at yours. I don't remember what it's for. Cool. Alright, we're going to wrap this one up.